You know that moment when a sneeze is coming and you brace yourself? It's like your body's prepping for a mini explosion. But have you ever wondered if your heart actually stops when you sneeze? Short answer, no, but it's a super common myth. Here's what really happens. Sneezing causes a quick spike in chest pressure, which can make your heart momentarily slow down. It might feel like it skips a beat, but it's just your body doing its reflex thing. Sneezing's your body's way of clearing out irritants. But in rare cases, like sneeze syncope, your blood pressure and heart rate can drop so low, you might feel dizzy or even faint. One woman actually fainted every time she sneezed. Turns out she was using beta-blocker eye drops for glaucoma, meds that lower heart rate. Once she stopped using them, the fainting stopped too.